Hello, and welcome to EncryptPro. Today we are going to demonstrate that EncryptPro keeps your data local, secure, and entirely in your hands, using trusted tools like Glasswire and Wireshark to verify that only essential login data reaches our secure server, and all the critical information about your data is processed and stored locally. To ensure complete transparency, we'll use a debug version of EncryptPro that displays all request data in the terminal, showing exactly what's sent. We'll also monitor network activity with Glasswire, a trusted tool that reveals which servers our software contacts. For a deeper dive, we'll use Wireshark, a powerful analyzer that captures every network packet, giving you a clear view of all data flow. Right now, you can see Glasswire and Wireshark already running in the background, ready to capture everything. Glasswire will help us spot any outgoing connections from EncryptPro, and Wireshark will let us inspect the details of those connections. But first, ensure you're using the authentic EncryptPro software. Always download it directly from our official website, EncryptPro.net. This is the only place to get it. You will be able to download the software when your order is confirmed after purchase. Let's start by logging into the software. This is the only time EncryptPro makes a call to our server to authenticate your credentials. First, let's look at the terminal. Our debug mode shows EncryptPro sends only the essential information so we can log you into the software. As you can clearly see, the information only includes your credentials and some device-related information, along with the software version. EncryptPro software has zero-knowledge architecture. We never see or store your passwords. Now let's check Glasswire. This tool tracks network activity for all the applications. You can check here that EncryptPro only contacts our secure server, api.encryptpro.net. No third-party servers, no hidden connections. If there were any other connections, they would show up right here. Now, for a deeper look, let's use Wireshark. Since Wireshark captures all network activity from the system, that's why it comes with lots of noise. That's why we'll be working with two filters to cut through the noise. So let's start by applying Handshake Filter, which looks for the EncryptPro server name in the setup process. We have got a single packet here. That's the client hello, where my device kicks off the secure chat with api.encryptpro.net. This single row represents the beginning of one connection attempt to the server. Now let's move on to the next filter, which is going to catch every packet between my device and the EncryptPro server, including the setup and any data exchanged. This is the client hello, which we have seen earlier. It's using TLS 1.2 on port 443, the same tech for secure websites. The package size is 258 bytes, just enough to set up the encryption. Next, the server responds with a certificate, proving its authenticity. This step verifies we're talking to the legit server, with no third-party redirects. Here's the first application data packet sent after the handshake. It's encrypted with TLS, meaning the content is locked. Another application data packet, still encrypted with TLS. This shows the communication stays consistent and encrypted throughout. Finally, the session ends cleanly with an RST, proving the connection closed properly, with no lingering issues involving third parties. All traffic stayed between my device and api.encryptpro.net, with TLS encryption from start to end. This shows that the connection with EncryptPro is secure, encrypted with TLS from start to end, verified by the server certificate, and limited to a clean session with no unexpected activity involving third parties. Now let's move on with the core functionalities of EncryptPro software and show you that none of these core functionalities of the software includes sending your data to the server. There will be absolutely no traffic generated by EncryptPro from this point forward in both of these tools, which are still actively capturing network traffic. So we will quickly encrypt some files using on-click security feature, then access them using on-the-fly access feature, then work with the groups, and finally decrypt our files. Now, if we head back to Glasswire, we can see there are no new connections. And if we go to Wireshark and apply the handshake filter again, we can see it's still silent after that initial login. This confirms zero network activity during processing of your data. Next, let's try logging in using viewer-only mode. This feature is specifically designed for scenarios where you do not have internet and if you're logging in on a new device, but we will still test it anyway. Now let's check the tools again. Everything happened offline. No calls to the server, no data sent anywhere. What this proves is that all critical processing, encryption, decryption, key management stays on your system. Your data, keys, and files never leave your device. We don't process or store them on our servers. EncryptPro only needs that one login call at the start, and after that, it works entirely offline to provide you the complete data security in which only you are in control. We've shown you firsthand that EncryptPro only connects to api.encryptpro.net at login, with all data processing done locally to ensure your complete security. We're committed to full transparency, so you can trust that with us, your data stays fully secure, always under your command. To get started with EncryptPro, visit our website and navigate to the pricing page to select the plan that best suits your needs. Our dedicated support team is here to answer any questions about the software or assist with the purchase process. Rest easy knowing your data is safe. Grab EncryptPro today for simple, stress-free security.